Hey, Book. I'm gonna throw a snowball at you. It's disgusting. I got you again. I'm gonna throw it at you again. Book. Snowball. You can throw one back?
Yeah.
Throw it at May May. You're not gonna hit your May May with the snowball? You're gonna hit Mommy? No, throw it at May May. You love your May May too much to throw snowballs at her, huh?
No.
Boom!
You're crazy.
I'm crazy. Boo, boo, boo. You gonna throw some at me? It's cold. Ah! You're mean. Look, Mommy's hand is cold. Oh, it's so cold.
Ooh, cool.
What are you doing?
I'll get to you.
You're walking to me? What are you doing now? Where's your gloves at?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Come on, let's go get them.
Okay.